What health and social care do you want? That's the question we at Llais have been asking the people of Wales. As the independent body that reflects the voices and represents the interests of people in Wales, we want to know what works, what doesn't, and what needs to change so that we can help create fairer and more balanced health and social care services for everyone.
I think the health and social care we want really opens some of those further conversations. It's not saying that lots of what we heard isn't new, but we're framing it in a different way. And I think that's really, really important and something that we're doing differently.
The essence of it is there's not just one thing that we're going to do with all of this information. We're going to be continuing that conversation, as Becky said, and absolutely, we don't want to just deliver health boards with a list of wonderful principles and say, here we go and do this. We want to give them those kind of practical ideas for change that they can look to embed or to pilot themselves. But we also want to be part of that piloting.
I'm Alison Thomas, Chief Executive of Llais, and today we're talking about our project, the Health and Social Care We Want, with Jenny Mushiringani Monjero and Rebecca Lithgoe from Llais.